Hello, my dear children. Good morning and welcome back to our maths class. Children, we are learning money, and you know that we have solved addition of money in our previous class. Yes, we have learned how to add the money by arranging rupees and paise column. Now, today we will learn subtraction of money. Today we will learn subtraction of money. Subtraction of money is almost similar like how to add the money, only the difference we have to subtract. Okay, so we will understand by solving one example. Okay, subtract rupees 81.77 from rupees 100.18. Children, here one thing you keep in mind that you have understood in the subtraction sum that the number after from we are writing first. Okay, so we will solve it. First of all, I will write rupees column and paise column. I will arrange it. So number after from is rupees 101.18 means 100 rupees and 18 paise. Okay, then minus 81 rupees 77 paise. Okay, children, then 8 minus 7, 8 minus 7, 1 minus 7 is not possible. 1 will borrow here not there, here also 0. So 9, I am writing here directly. Here I will write 11, here also I will write 9 and 0. This we have learned in the subtraction sum. Children, I am not explaining. Okay, now 11 minus 7 equal to 4. As here 9 will remain because borrow is given. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. 0 minus 0, 0. No need. Therefore, our answer is rupees 18.41, or we can write 18 rupees and 41 paise. Clear, children? So this is the example. Now we will solve exercise. Are you ready for that? Okay. Okay, children, now we will solve exercise 8C. Exercise 8C, subtract the amount of money. Easy only, children. Directly rupees column and paise column is arranged here. We have to subtract only. Okay, so let's start. First one, rupees column and paise column is given. 100 rupees 100 and 20 paise minus 29 rupees and 18 paise. 0 minus 8 is not possible. 0 will borrow 10. So 10 minus 8 equal to 2. Strike out 1. Strike out 2 and write down 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. Then 0 minus 9 not possible. So write down 10. Here write down 9 and write down 0 here. Directly I am writing here 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. And 0 minus 0 no need to write. Therefore rupees 71.2 rupees 70.02. Okay, then rupees column and paise column 82 and 11 paise. Rupees 82 and 11 paise minus 51 rupees and 29 paise. 1 minus 9 again not possible. Write down 11. 11 minus 9 equal to 2. Strike out 1, write down 0. Again 0 will borrow here. 10 from rupees column only. So write down 10 here. 10 minus 2, 8. Okay. Then here I will write 1 because borrow is given. 1 minus 1, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. So what is the answer? 30 rupees and 82 paise. I am not writing here down. Okay. Now see, rupees column and paise column. 9 minus 9, 0. 0 minus 1 not possible. 0 will borrow 10 from 4. Means from rupees column 10 minus 1, 9. Okay, then strike out here 4 and write down 3. 3 minus 0 3, 4 minus 2 2, 4 minus 1 1. So 123 rupees and 90 paise. Next one, here 0 paise minus 13 rupees. So what I will do here, I will write here directly 100. Children, rupees borrow from 1 rupee is borrow, so 1 rupees when we'll write down in the paise column, it will be 100. Okay, so 0 minus 3 not possible, or you can do like this way also. If you are not doing like this, simple way also. If it is difficult for you, what do? You borrow from here. Okay, see what I will do here. Okay, same as it is, only I am writing here 100. I am writing. Okay, children, here I will write 59 rupees because 1 rupee is given borrow. Now 0 minus 10 is not 0 minus 3 is not possible, so 7 and write down here 9. 9 minus 1 8. Children, I think it is very difficult for you understand, but it is very easy only. See here 60 was there, so 1 rupee is borrowed by paise column, so it is 100 paise. Now 100 minus 13 is 87. Okay, now 9 minus 1 8, 5 minus 3 2, so 28 rupees and 87 paise. Then next one, 3 minus 0 3, 2 minus 1 1, 8 minus 9 is not possible, 8 will borrow 10 from 5, 18 minus 9 9, write down here 4, 4 minus 0 4, 49 rupees and 13 paise. Next one, 1 minus 5 not possible, here also 0, so first of all this 10, here I will write 10, sorry 11, 11 minus 5 equal to 6, again I am writing here 9 because borrow is given. Okay, 9 minus 2 7, 76 paise. Then here strike out and write down 7. 7 minus 8 is not possible, so 17 minus 8 equal to 9. 7 I will write here, 7 minus 4 3. Therefore our answer is 39 rupees and 76 paise. This is the subtraction of money. I think children you understood this one. Okay, so G and H, you do G and H, you do by yourself in homework. Okay, now we will solve question number 2. Circle the money needed to buy each item. Write the amount left over. Okay, circle the money needed to buy each item. Write the amount left over. A. You can see here picture of the notebook or one book picture is given, and the cost of the book is rupees 38 is given in the picture you can see. Then here in the side the currency note of 20 rupees, second note of also 20 rupees, one note of 10 rupees, one coin of 5 rupees, one coin of 2 rupees, and one coin of 1 rupees. Total 20 plus 20 40, plus 10 50, plus 5 55, plus 2 57, and plus 1 58. So total 58, and the cost of the book is 38. So what we will do, we will circle the one note of 20 and one note of 10. So 20 plus 10 30, and one coin of 5 rupees, that 35, one coin of 2 rupees and one coin of 1 rupees, so 38 rupees. Now you can see that what is left there, there is one note of 20 rupees left. Okay, so okay, left amount is 20 rupees. Okay children, you understood? And another way of solving this same question is like that. You can do the total amount is 58 rupees, we counted it. Then you know that the cost of the book is given here 38 rupees. So what we will do? We will do the subtraction, 58 minus 38.
We will subtract total amount and the cost of the notebook is 38. So 58 minus 38 equal to 20 rupees. This is also a way of finding the answer. Okay children, so this is the question number 2a. Now I am giving you B and C as a homework. You just give the answer in the comment. What is the left amount? Okay, and same you can do this same question in textbook also. Okay, so I think you understood today's class, whatever I taught you, subtraction of money. Okay children, so bye bye and have a nice day children. Thank you.